Cortana is the assistant, integrated in Windows 11, with which through our voice, or a script, it will be possible to give certain orders, such as opening programs, executing files, showing the status of the weather, traffic, the weather, opening files and much more. Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to remove Cortana from Windows 11, and how to install Cortana. To do this, right-click on the Start menu. From this Power menu, click on the Windows Terminal Admin. Click on Yes. After opening the Windows Terminal, copy and paste this command into the terminal. Now press Enter. This code is available under the description. Job done. Cortana is removed from your computer. If you want to reinstall Cortana, click on the Start menu. Type Store. After appearing the store, click on it. After opening the Microsoft Store, click on the search bar, type Cortana. After appearing the Cortana, click on it. Click on Get. Please wait until finishing the download and installation. After finishing the installation, you can open the Cortana. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.